Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to find the value of this given multi-layer fractions 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 over 4. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's go ahead and focus on this given fraction, and here I have copied it down. And now let's focus on this part at the denominator. We are going to simplify this one first, and here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and simplify now. And here in this next step, we can write this 3 as 12 divided by 4. And this way we are going to have the same denominator 4. And then we can see that our simplified answer turns out to be 11 divided by 4. So therefore I am going to replace this part by 11 divided by 4. And now in this next step, I have just simply replaced this one by 11 divided by 4, and the rest is same. And now let's focus on this one, 1 divided by 11 over 4. We are going to apply this basic rule, 1 divided by a divided by b. We just simply flip it over. This become b over a. So therefore this could be written as 4 divided by 11. And here in this next step, I have replaced this part by simply 4 divided by 11. And now let's focus on this part in the denominator, 2 minus 4 divided by 11. And here I have copied it down. And here we can write 2 as 22 divided by 11. So this way we're going to have a common denominator 11. And now we can see that this has been simplified to 18 divided by 11. So therefore I am going to replace this part by 18 divided by 11. And here in this next step I have replaced this whole thing by 18 divided by 11. And now let's focus on this 1 divided by 18 divided by 11, and we are going to use this rule once again. So this could be written as 11 divided by 18. And here in this next step I have replaced this whole thing by 11 divided by 18. And now let's go ahead and simplify this one. And here I have copied it down. And now I wrote this one as 18 divided by 18, so that we're going to have a same denominator 18. And here this has been simplified to 7 divided by 18. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 7 divided by 18. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 7 divided by 18. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.